quick update on the drone. So this is the MultiWii configuration. So to show the controller movements, so if I flip the left joystick right, it controls the yaw direction, and the left joystick up and down controls the throttle. The right joystick left and right controls the pitch, and the right joystick up and down controls the roll. And the drone responds to, the MultiWii responds to the drone movements. Here we can take a look at how the drone responds to the joystick movements. So if I flip the right joystick all the way right and increase the throttle, seems like it controls the yaw. So if I flip the right joystick all the way left and increase the throttle, also yaw. So if I flip the right joystick all the way up and increase the throttle, that's the pitch. The right joystick all the way down and increase the throttle, seems like it's the pitch. So it seems like the roll is controlled by the left joystick, moving it left and right. And if I just increase the throttle, still unstable.